Hey everybody, welcome to this little announcement, I guess. I just wanted to explain how the homework support assignments work. I've had several questions, and even though it's written out, sometimes it's easier to have I guess, like a short video to show you how to do it. So last week you signed up for a homework support presentation. And you did that in the discussion board with your group. And actually, you signed up for 2 homework support presentations. I've put together a little Google Doc. It's actually on Google Sheets in case you forget which one you signed up for, or you just want to double check. And so you can find that by clicking on modules in the course and then scrolling down to a little section, a little module I've called Brother Fox's Helpful Stuff. And in that section, there's the homework support presenters, which is just a link to that Google Doc. And then there's also some additional study content I've put together that has me working out some of the problems, and also has short lectures and things like that, and just videos that I think would be helpful for you. Anyway, so for the homework support assignment, if you want to double check which one you have, you can click on that link. You'll see it's broken into 2 sections because I teach 2 sections. So if you're in section 20, that'll be your list. And if you're in section 32, that'll be your list. So like this week, week 2, all of the people who signed up for either A, B, or C will be doing presentations for week 2. And so let me explain how you would go about doing that. So first of all, what you're going to do, if you're doing the week 2 presentation, that's going to be for quiz access, chapters 1 and 12, problems 13 through 15. So if you look in your modules, you will see, so let me go back to the module, you have an assignment called week 2. Okay, this thing's being silly. Okay, there it is. Week 2, quiz access, chapters 1 and 12. And you'll see that it's not due until Saturday. So why is the homework support due on Wednesday? Well, so that people have time to look at your videos and use them for help on the quiz access. So you'll actually be doing some problems from the quiz access, from the homework, and sharing that as a video. A lot of people use Zoom as the way they like to screen capture their video. Other people use other screen capture products. That's up to you. So for this week, if I were doing it, I would go ahead and go to the assignment, the week 2 quiz access, chapters 12 through or 1 and 12. And then you would click start, but since I'm in the instructor mode, it says I click student view. And then I would work out problems 13 through 15 and do a video, like a screen capture recording of me doing that. If you don't have screen capture technology, people have worked them out on paper using a camera to follow them, but screen capture technology is pretty easy. And if you look at the assignment information, there's actually some good information in there for you. So again, for this chapter, it'd be 13, 14, and 15, which is actually a 3-part problem. So that's what you'll be working out if you signed up for this week, which would be, again, sections or A, B, or C. You post it now. Once you make that video, you post it in the week 2 homework presentations, chapter 1 and 12. So if I come back to here and I go back to the modules, you'll see that there is a discussion called week 2 quiz access, chapters 1 and 12. Don't post it here to the support forum, post it here to the week 2 quiz access. So I would just click on that. Whoops, I'm actually in the wrong one. Sorry, that's the assignment. We want the forum. So the forum has this little symbol that looks like little talking boxes. So actually, you're going to post right here, week 2 homework presentations, chapter 1 and 12, not to the week 2 support forum. So you'll click on that. Again, you won't see all the groups but I do. But you'll just see your group, you'll come down here, you'll hit reply, and then you'll post your video. It's best if you don't upload the video as a MP4. It's just sometimes they're too big and it doesn't work well. It's best if you host it on an outside server. Zoom allows you to do that, where you can just post a link to your video or embed the video, or you can do it on YouTube or something else. So that's what you do on the week that you are assigned as the homework presenter. There'll be 2 weeks. Whatever you signed up for included 2 weeks. So again, you can see here, if you signed up for A, then you'll have this week, week 2, and then also this week, week 8. The other weeks, when you're not the homework presenter, your only job is to log in here to the discussion, so the homework presentations discussion, and watch the video of the person who posted it. So that's it. You don't even have to, see, this is optional, make a reply post, but that's not required. Okay, so you can just go in there and watch it and you're good. You can also go in there and watch it and make a reply or ask a question. If you're the person whose week it is and it's your video and they ask a question, you should be checking and answering people's questions to the best of your ability. So you kind of have the obligation as the person who created the video to watch that chat for the rest of that week. So I hope that explains a little better about what you're supposed to do. Again, I think what confuses people is they're like, where am I supposed to get this problem I work out? And the answer is it's from the quiz access, which is our regular kind of weekly assignment. And then you actually are doing problems from the quiz access, doing a screen recording and then sharing them here in the homework presentations discussion board. And if it's not your week, all you have to do is go view that and use it to help you with your homework. And if you want to, ask a question. So I hope that clarifies and helps out, and I hope you all have a great week.